Hey guys, what is up? What is going on? Right now, I am in the backseat of a car. I'm with Nicole and Matt.
Hello!
Hey. And today we're doing something extremely stupid or something that's extremely fun. Okay, right now it is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We are getting ready to go on a helicopter that's gonna be flying over the Niagara Falls. And what's gonna be special about this is that it's gonna be an open door helicopter in the wintertime. We're expecting probably about negative 50 degrees up in the air. I got super prepared. I think I told Nicole and Matt to get super prepared. I'm not really sure what we're doing yet. But yeah, pretty stoked. Okay.
It's windy down here.
Are you ready to go?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Are you coming?
We're gonna watch you guys.
Okay.
I think she's gonna come.
I think she's gonna come. She doesn't want to miss out.
Get ground crew up here. Get your mark done.
Yeah, we're doing this. This is gonna be a thing. Are you guys ready? Are you guys good? Are you guys happy?
Feeling better already, Matt? Alright, so we're going on a helicopter ride! Yes!
Put a spell on you. Put a spell on you. Put a spell on you. Put a spell on you.
Yes! Yes, the thrill is gone, gone this day. Baby,
Put a spell on you.
Thanks, Renee. Not dying is the goal here.
no, it's very sketchy, and
Put a spell on you.
So Nicole is even gonna come today.
I was just coming for the ride. I had no intention of actually going on the helicopter, but it was so much fun. I went both times, and I loved it. I mean, we only went once, but
Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
We could lie. We did it twice.
Yeah, we went twice, and it was so much fun. For anyone who's like hesitant about doing that, if you're a scaredy cat like me, do it. It was so relaxing, and just don't sit in the back with the door open because that was freezing for you guys, I bet.
It was amazing. What are you talking about? Okay, this is what happened. We did 2 flights. One was only photography and one we did video. We were gonna fake the whole thing and just say that we did like 1 flight, but you know, whatever. You guys deserve to know the truth here. Happy?
I know, and I
Happy?
kind of gave it away too, so
Yeah.
I'm so happy I went. It was such a good experience.
It's amazing. It was a bit chilly in the back with the door open, but it was awesome.
Yeah, no, definitely check out Niagara. Where are they? Niagara Falls?
Niagara helicopters?
Yeah. Awesome.
People are coming back now, actually. There they are. Okay guys, I've just arrived home. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to try something like that, I'm going to leave the link for Niagara helicopters down below. Also check out Nicole's channel. Nicole's really cool. I'll leave her link down below as well. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next. I think I'm heading off to Switzerland next. We're doing like 11 days of just like different mountain skiing, snowboarding, and like I think we're doing the magical train that goes all through the Swiss Alps. It's going to be tons of fun. So if you guys want to see that, remember to like that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Hi, I'm Tara, and I'm a travel blogger from Canada. And I've been traveling on my own for a long time and started a blog when I first went to Asia forever ago. And I just kept it up because it's a lot of fun and I like to keep track of all the crazy things that happen to me. So, but this year was totally different because I met all these cool people traveling around that are actually doing this for work. So I kind of thought, yeah, maybe it's about time I take my blog to the next level and professionalize it, just like these guys. So over the next few months, I've settled here in beautiful Switzerland, and I'm gonna revamp the blog and making it more focused on travel advice, sort of things like city guides, travel tips, and eventually travel tours. So definitely check it out and stay tuned for lots of good content coming up, and wish me luck. Cheers!